Welcome to Tech Tips. In today's session we're going to be looking at how we can make digital badges to assign to students' work. Let's get started. So in the description you will find a link to this website for Make Badges, and you can basically go there. It's free, which is brilliant, and you can create your own badges to put on student work. Let's have a look at how it works then. You can use the Lucky Dip section here, where if you click on that it will just create different ones, or you can be brave and bold and go into creating your own. So let's start off with this. We're going to go into shape first of all. Click on shape, and I want to select the shield. From here I'm going to select my icon. I quite fancy this clock here, because what we're going to do is we're going to put keep going into the text. Okay, so that's what I want to look at. Now I'm quite happy with that colour there, but if you wanted to change it, you can basically go into the colour setting on the far right. You can also change the border, so I quite like the double border. We go into the colour setting, and within the colour setting, I think what I want to do is just make this a little bit darker, make the background a little bit lighter, and I want to make the icon a bit darker, probably bring it over to this sort of colour here, just so it makes it pop a little bit more there. And I'm quite happy with that. So all I want to do now is click on the download button. That will send that badge over to me, and it goes into my files. I now have a PNG file that I can post into AnyWork and use to reward students for the stuff that they've done online. Okay, so hopefully that's useful. I'll see you in the next one.